have seen a crimson sunset casting shadows on a lonely beach. I have witnessed stars of nighttime light their silver patterns out of reach. I have watched the soaring eagle fly through blue and endless skies. I have felt the look of love shine in your dark and searching eyes. But the saddest thing I've ever seen was when you walked away. But the saddest thing I've ever seen was when you walked away. I have heard the roar of thunder rip across a stormy summer night. I have watched those white and waveless clouds of morning sail out of sight. I have felt most cherished moments slipping through the gripping hands of hope. I have heard the violent final snapping of the last strand of the rope. But the saddest thing I've ever seen was when you walked away. But the saddest thing I've ever seen was when you walked away.